Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to sign documents in Pages. First, open the Pages document you wish to sign. Navigate to the Insert menu at the top of your screen. From the drop-down, select Signature, then Manage Signatures. This will open a window where you can create or select your digital signature. We'll explore both methods to ensure you can easily add your personal touch to any document. To create a signature using your trackpad, click the Create Signature button and choose Trackpad. A small window will appear, allowing you to draw your signature using your finger on the trackpad. Take your time to get it right. You can clear and retry as many times as needed. Once you're happy, click Done to save it. This signature will then be available for all your Pages documents. Alternatively, you can create a signature using your Mac's camera. First, sign your name clearly on a clean, white piece of paper using a dark pen. Then, select the camera option. Hold the signed paper up to your Mac's camera. Pages will automatically detect and capture your signature. Ensure good lighting and a steady hand for the best result. Once captured, click Done to add it to your signature library. Once your signature is created and saved, inserting it into your document is simple. Go back to Insert, then Signature, and select the signature you wish to use. Click on the document where you want it to appear. You can then easily drag the corners of the signature to resize it to your preferred dimensions. Finally, drag the signature to its exact spot on the document, ensuring it looks professional and fits perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.